Creative. Break those rules. Learn them first so that you know you're breaking them. It'll also give you the skill to break them in a way that makes sense, because most of these rules exist because it was a way to communicate clearly, visually, or in words. For example, comma usage. It exists because it clarifies. It's like that joke, let's eat grandma. Let's eat, comma, grandma means, hey grandma, let's eat, versus let's eat grandma without a comma means we're going to eat your grandmother. So learn the rules before you break them. But then, yeah, there are times to break them. That's the beauty of these rules. If you learn what they're for, then when you break them appropriately at the right time, what you're actually doing is creating an emotional impact. You are using that brokenness to communicate in a more emphatic way than the proper way would have done. This is a tool for your toolbox. This is a really fun tip, and it's great to do. Yeah, it means you're going to have to do some learning, some research, but how is that going to be bad? It's great to learn this stuff that then you get to use to make your art even better. It's all tools in your toolbox. It's all helping you grow. You got this, creative. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.